Introduction to the Certified Three.js Developer. Have you ever wondered how stunning 3D graphics are created? One might guess that numerous hours would have been spent on Stack Overflow, studying math, and writing hundreds of lines of code to render a simple object like a rotating pyramid. But the truth is quite different and simple. It is highly likely that they have just used a library. One such library is Three.js, which enables the rendering of complex 3D visuals in browsers. The requirement for 3D developers of web and metaverse is increasing every year and has led to a growing demand for Three.js professionals. So, what's a certified Three.js developer expected to do? Three.js developers are expected to create and add functionalities to websites that use 3D modeling and integrate websites with 3D models created by designers. Three.js can also be used in creating games or character movements. Now, let's have a brief overview of the cores. Certified Three.js Developer is developed in order to provide the developers with in-depth knowledge of 3D development, even if they have yet to gain any prior experience in 3D space. It covers key features such as scenes, cameras, animation, making a mesh, lights, rendering, materials, how to add effects, and many more topics in depth. A learner even with little to no experience in plain JavaScript can take this course to upskill themselves. So, what are the benefits of enrolling in this certification? Certifications offered at Blockchain Council are recognized globally. 3D websites and the demand for 3D developers are rising all across the globe. The Certified Three.js Developer certification will not only help you in upskilling yourself, but also act as proof of knowledge to enhance your career prospects. Along with lifetime access to the course and certification, you will also receive 24/7 doubt support from Blockchain Council. So stop waiting and enroll to become a certified Three.js developer today.